Did you know that head and neck malignancy in India is one of the most common cancer? And in India, approximately 60 to 70% of cancer are occurring in the third and fourth stage. Then by the 70-30 rule, if we are having the advanced stage disease in 70%, then the cure rate is approximately 30 to 40%. I am Dr. Deepak Kumar Mittal. I am the Associate Director at Radiation Oncology Department, BLK Max Hospital. I am talking about the head and neck malignancy today. In India, head and neck malignancy is one of the most common malignancy, and there are multiple causative factors for this malignancy in India. But smoking and alcohol and tobacco chewing is the most common causative factor for occurring of these malignancies. In India, approximately 60 to 70% of the cases are coming in the advanced stage, like third and fourth stage, because of the lack of the awareness. So we need multimodal treatment for these malignancies. In first or second stage, we can treat the patient with either radiation therapy or chemotherapy or surgery therapy alone. But in the advanced stage, we need all three modalities or two modalities, like surgery or radiation therapy both. So radiation therapy is the integral part of the treatment of these malignancies. It can be used either post-operatively or along with chemotherapy as a chemoradiation therapy, like definitive radiation therapy basically. And we can treat first and second stage with the radiation therapy, where the control rate is approximately up to the 90%. But if we are treating the third and fourth stage malignancy after surgery or after the chemotherapy or along with the chemotherapy, the control rate can be achieved up to the 65 to 70%. So nowadays, with the help of the radiation therapy, we can get the better cure rate because of the advancement in the technology and all these things. I hope you found this video very informative to you all. And if you have any query, any question regarding this, you can put your comment or your question in the comment box. Thank you for listening this video. Thank you so much.